Hi friends, I am your well-wisher KS Chaudhary. Yes, please don't scroll. Subscribe my channel if you like, right? And like also, and comments and share. Please don't go. Here we are talking about that very nice topic. Interested to रुचि रखते हैं आप? अच्छा रखते हैं? Are you interested to learn English? इंग्लिश सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं आप? रुचि रखते हैं इंटरेस्ट सीखने में इंग्लिश? आर यू इंटरेस्टेड? क्या है आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. ही इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू अटेंड क्लास. हो, ही इज वेरी नॉटी. वो इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं है, रुचि नहीं है उसकी. तो किसमें? क्लास अटेंड करने में. इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक. इंटरेस्टेड. दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू सेंड मैसेज भेजने में नहीं है इंटरेस्टेड है. दे आर इंटरेस्टेड टू कॉल करने में है. They are interested to call. They are not interested to send message. Message send में interested नहीं है. Anil is Anil is interested to do this job. Anil interested है इस job में, काम करने में interested है. वो interested नहीं है. He is not interested to do this job, to do this work. इस काम को करने में मैं interested नहीं हूँ. इस काम को करने में कैसे बोलूँगा? I am not interested to do this work. Yeah, you can say Sheila is interested to do dance with me. Oh yeah, Sheila is interested to dance with me. Are you interested to dance with me or not? Tell me. I am interested to do dance with you. Dance करने में I am too much interested to dance. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Are you interested to watch my video or not? सो इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक. इंटरेस्टेड. मैं ये सब्जी खाने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूं. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू ईट दिस वेजिटेबल. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू ईट दिस vegetable. I am not interested to eat this vegetable because I don't like. पसंद ही नहीं है मुझे. और बोले फिर नखरे लगाने, उसमें स्टाइल प्रेजेंट करनी है तो इट हैज टू मच चिली. बहुत चिली है इसके अंदर. टू मच ऑयली. इट हैज टू मच सॉल्ट. नमक भी बहुत ज्यादा है. बोल सकते हो आप जब आपका इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. when you are not interested to eat, जब आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है तो यू प्रेजेंट लॉट ऑफ स्टाइल. इट हैज टू मच चिली. बहुत मिर्ची है. इट हैज टू मच सॉल्ट. गुड. It is too much oily. I don't like this vegetable. My hunger has gone. मेरी भूख चली गई. My hunger has gone. Okay, my hunger has gone to see this vegetable. इस सब्जी को देख के भूख चली गई. Okay, yes. So I am not interested to. Right? Yes. I am not interested to wear this dress. I am not interested. I am not interested to wear this shirt. I am not interested to wear this shirt. Right? Because I don't look smart. I am interested to wear this shirt. Right? I am interested to wear this tie. Right? But okay, sometimes I am interested in you. I am not interested to wear this shirt. Right? Because its color became fade. Color fade हो चुका है ना. Color happen. Color fade. And I don't look smart. और इसमें praise भी नहीं है. It has no iron. That's why I am not interested to wear this dress. Yes. Yeah. Are you interested to do BA? क्या आप BA करने में interested हैं? Are you interested to do MA? पूछ सकते हैं आप. Right? क्या आप यहाँ काम करने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हैं? Are you interested to do job here? Right? Yes. Are you interested to send messages? Are you interested to comments or not? Yes. Question is that क्या आप interested हैं comment में? तो करिए अभी. Do now. Good. The question is that are you interested to comment on my videos. Are you interested? Okay, my videos. Are you interested to comments on my video or not? Interested? Yes, I know. My viewers are very nice. Awesome. They are always interested. They are always interested to comments on my video. We can say that. So it is very nice topic. I'm not मैं तुमसे बात करने में interested नहीं. I'm not interested to talk with you. Okay, are you interested to take bath? नहाने में interested है कि नहीं? Yes, I am interested to take bath in summer. Okay, but I don't interested to take bath in winter. Winter में तो I'm not interested. Are you interested to sing a song with me? Tell me. Are you interested to sing a song with me? Are you interested to sing a song with me? My heart is beating. Keeps on. Sing with me. Sing with me. Sing. Are you interested, na? Are you interested to dance with me? I am interested to dance. Yeah, awesome. I can do it. Yeah. So you are interested to dance with me. So it is very nice topic. So we say that interested. Right? वो वहां जाने में interested नहीं है. He is not interested to go there. She is not interested to come here. She is not interested to get married with him. वो उसे शादी करने में interested नहीं है. Right? We can say that. So in this way, you can say interested. Are you interested to like my video? Are you interested to subscribe my channel? Are you interested to comments on my video? I know you are interested. Okay? Yes. And bye. It is very nice topic. Interested. I am interested to make video.